Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and I wanted to share my 7 Days of Spring journal that I made. I put together all the goodies that we made for the collaboration and put it in this soft cover journal. For the closure, I just did a wrap of some of this fabric. And here's the cover. I did a collage of that really fun fabric that I found. And then some buttons, and then a Tim Holtz, flare. And then this is a little pocket, and inside there we have a little piece of ephemera. And there's some sewing and stitching. I did the signatures a bit different, so you'll see when we kind of dig into the journal. So here's the front cover. This is a pocket, or like a, let's see if I have anything. If you had a picture, let's say this was a picture, you could attach that and then it would kind of frame it, or you could have a really big picture that would kind of tuck in to the corners. Something a little bit different. So you'll see here I have fabric because I took both signatures. I had one signature and then I put both. And I put some packing tape stuff and taped that on and then covered that with the fabric. So the two signatures are actually sewn onto the fabric, and then I took both signatures and did stitching just right down the center of the book like this. So it's a bit different. I didn't want like big holes poked in the fabric. I didn't know, so I just thought, well, I'll try something a bit different, and it works pretty well. I was concerned that it wouldn't be secure, but it's quite secure. Here's some scrapbook paper, and here's the large tag that I made into a paper clip, a hidden paper clip. So in this part, it's the hidden paper clip. Flinch card. I think this was from day one. There's some pieces tucked in. And here's another journaling card I made as a tuck spot. This is from my Song of Autumn kit. I have a bunch of papers in my scrap pile for, I print out the kit, you know, to kind of test it out. And so I have a bunch and I don't really want to throw them away. So I thought, oh, well, it will go in this kit. And here's one of the pockets. I think this is the Friday freebie. And then I did some collaging and just added a little lace. Another page, scrapbook page. This is also from the Friday freebie. And then I put one of the paper clips I made right there. Here's my little dangly tag. And, whoa, this is a page from Julie's, and then made a little tuck spot. I have a little tab on the side. Here's that same page, another tuck. And then on the other side is the tuck. Then here's my little flip up envelope with some ephemera, and it just tucks right in there. And then we get to the second signature, and this is that flippy thing that I made. I added one of the paper clips here, and then we have an envelope, the library pocket there. One of the paper clips, did a little collaging, more scrapbook paper. The freebie Friday here, and then a little postcard, another paper clip. This is a page from, I think, day one. It's hard to remember which day was which. And then my little card I made there. And then this fun little ephemera little tuck that we have. Keeps the little bits in there that you can use later in the journal. Another paper clip, and here's the flippy thing. So in here I have a finch or flinch? Not quite sure now. Card with some fabric on the back, and then that flips up. And here I've added another one of these tucks and added some tickets. And then here's a pocket with the Tim Holtz wallpaper, and then on the back I have the hidden little pocket here, And then I added some ephemera back here. So yeah, there is the 7 Days of Spring journal. I haven't decided if I'm going to list this, because currently I don't have anything that I'm shipping on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, you can message me and then I can decide, but who knows, I may start shipping again because it's getting better, the post office and stuff. It was a little hairy there for a while, so people weren't getting packages and that plus COVID. I thought, what am I doing here? Let's try this again, my gosh. So anyway, if you're interested, let me know. If not, I might list. I have a few journals that I was kind of going through and I'm like, oh, I should list those. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks for joining me and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.